Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome to the week that was. We've had a busy week this week, coming out of lockdown on Monday, which is exciting. Despite the closures of open homes over the last week, we've had quite some good results come through with a lot of our properties that have been staged selling over that time, despite being able to open. So that's really exciting and fantastic to see. We have still been installing, obviously. We have ventured first thing up to the Sunshine Coast, completing an install up there. That was great. Good to be on the road with the team, and yeah, doing some good stuff up there. The rest of the installs have been in Brisbane locally, so we've done a number of installs for a few different agents, and they're all looking really good. Nice little properties there this week. So. Yeah, the team are really excited. We are moving to our new warehouse next week, so we get the keys for our new warehouse. So Nando has been really busy organising fixtures and writing up floor plans and organising layouts. We've been doing measure ups and getting everything really organised to be able to transfer everything smoothly around the corner. So we're still going to be in Eagle Farm, nice and close, which we love. We also had the Torres Property Awards Gala night, which was awesome. We got to, dress up, and the guys put on a really great night, and we're really excited to be part of that and share the success of the agents and the agency with their teams. So yeah, that was awesome. Big highlight for our week to be able to attend that. So yeah, that was really good. A couple of assistants here with us today. Well, we've got some things going on at home, so it's always exciting and nice to have the pups around. So I hope you've all had a fantastic week, and hope you like what we put together this week for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!